theta is equal to 180 degree means vector P and vector Q are in opposite direction. Here the angle is 180 degree. We can express both vectors are in 180 degree. 180 degree laanengil P and Q opposite direction aanu. As per equation, R is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 180. നമുക്കറിയാം cos 180 equal to cos 180 degree equal to minus 1. So this will be root of P square plus Q square plus or minus 2PQ. ഇതിന്റെ വാല്യൂ വരിക root of P minus Q whole square. This will be P minus Q. അപ്പോൾ ഹിയർ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത് if P and Q are in opposite direction, we can find out